3.1.4 Identity, Reasons and Choice. While examining the problematic aspect of identity, Amar Sen 1999 underlines that the sense of community and fellowship relates closely to the idea of social identity. According to Sen, there are strong influences of the community and of the people with whom we identify and associate in sharpening our knowledge comprehend and comprehensions as well as our ethics and norms. In this sense, social identity cannot but be central to the human. Since 1999, the centrality of human life is considered by inherent socio-cultural processes on the one hand and by regions and alternative choices on the other. Identity, identity also shapes through societal recognition. In the interactive world, individuals are posted with varieties of choices. This provides the opportunity to associate and to form and reform identities either based on regions, tradition, or else. Sen extensively examines the questions as to whether our identities emerge by choice or by reasoning or by passive recognition. He mentions that the choice to be identified is not permanent in the society and that there are limits to what we choose to identify with. He also mentions that one can discover his or her identity. However, to him, choices have to be made even when discoveries occur. Choices do exist, and any denial to this fact leads to the uncritical and unquestioning acceptance of conformist behavior with several conservative implications. To him, the unquestioned presumptions are merely unquestioned, not unquestionable. The unquestioning acceptance of social identity. The unquestioning acceptance of social identity may also involve a radical shift in the identity having accepted as discovery rather than reasoned choice. For example, a shift from the holistic to sectarian identities may be a product of unquestioning acceptance of coercive arrangement. This unreasoned identity shift may lead to devastating effects like in Rwanda or Yugoslavia. Here he explains the phenomena of new tyrannies in the form of newly asserted identity that tyrannizes by eliminating other identities. These identities may have a political role, however, these may be oppressive if no room is given to other claims. To say to deny plurality, choice, and reasoning in identity can be a source of repression. Choice is possible and important in individual conduct and social decisions even if we remain oblivious oblivious of it. 1999 Sen.